right.
Of the trading day, and today we've got High Tower Chief Investment Strategist Stephanie Link back as well. Welcome. We'll kick it off with the broader market. Mixed picture here for the major averages. The Dow in the green again, while the S&P and the Nasdaq are still in the red. The Nasdaq lagging the other major averages down more than 1%. Can't blame Treasury yields because they're lower today. Maybe a little angst out of inflation report tomorrow. What's driving this stuff?
That's definitely an overlay. It was a weaker bounce in the big, like the Nasdaq chart never got as close to the old highs. It seems as if the big growth stocks are where there's the most heaviness in terms of, some combination of profit taking and tax loss selling. It is probably still relevant that the S&P stopped at the same place for the fifth time at 4,700. I don't think it changes the story. We used up a lot of that oversold condition in the first 2 days. The Tuesday opening bounce was really powerful, and I think a lot of people look at that on the chart ahead of the CPI number and say, "Look, who's to say we don't kind of drift lower just to test things out a little bit?"
We're still at 3% on the week.
Yeah.
S&P.
Yeah.
Although the Nasdaq
What's up, man?
1.4%. Stephanie, what's caught your attention?
Jump on the live.
Well, it's actually
Jump
this
on the
week.
live.
We always talk about the macro data. It's super important for earnings, rates, the Fed. But this week we learned a lot about the micro, about fundamentals, about what companies are saying and what they're seeing. And I just want to give you a couple of examples. GE increased their aviation sales for 2023 by 11% higher than where the street is at. And believe it or not, the stock is down today, which is silly. American Express, during this week at a conference season, they actually raised the high end of their guidance for 2022 because T&E, travel and entertainment, is actually stronger than expected. And David, we haven't even seen business recovery yet. So I think there's real upside to that name. Marriott is opening 30 luxury hotels next year. That's higher than expected because of demand. And then we have a whole bunch of shareholder-friendly actions in terms of dividend increases and buybacks. Zoetis, CVS, Stanley Black & Decker, they're also making an asset sale, Carrier. So while I think the macro is always important, it's on days like the day after Thanksgiving when stocks get hit really hard, I go back to my notes and say I want to own all of these names because they're doing
Live
really
stream.
good things. So I think that's really what the theme for me this week was.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Okay, we'll stay right there, Stephanie. I want to get to our
Oh, I need to buy Walmart. I forgot to buy Walmart.
Investing Club members were able to ask him about his best ideas for the new year. Here's Jim talking about one of his top picks. It's Disney, and he says he bought more today for his charitable trust.
I think Disney is way overly hated. Some of it's just worries about the pandemic. Some of it's a belief that maybe management isn't as strong as it used to be. I have to tell you that when you have an iconic franchise like Disney and you can buy 50 points below where it's been, I say you start buying some.
Down 15% or so for the year. Jim, by the way, also recommended Wynn and Wells Fargo. I know, Stephanie, you agree with him on those, I believe.
I agree with him on Wells Fargo and Wynn. On Disney, I don't. I just don't think there's a catalyst. And last year, David, the stock re-rated because of Disney Plus and subscriber growth that beat expectations. They're the beneficiary of a stay-at-home, of course, right? So this fast forward this year, they missed on subscribers for Disney Plus.
刚从医院出来，我突然想起来，今天晚上去不了你家，因为今天晚上7点我有个会要开。
in terms of sub growth, but they have to spend a lot more money getting there.
你申请了吗？
还没有，先忙完，先忙完考试。So I think, by the way, then the core business margins are under pressure because of investments. And so I think it's probably not going down a lot more from here. But I just don't know if there's a catalyst. 8 times earnings.
好忙啊，你一天都在那个医院。
What's up?
What's going on?
Just watching Walt Disney stock and the dictators talking to someone in Chinese. CVS, let me see. Broccoli stocks are down. You invested in broccoli stocks. Yeah, you haven't been doing well. I'm gonna buy some Tesla though. I like Tesla under $1,000.
Yeah.
Tesla's going to $3 grand to the moon.
Oh Lord.
Tesla and Bitcoin to the moon.
We specifically
I think
did
Rivian
a
might
program
throw a share in there.
We'll see. But I think Tesla's going to be king. I think they're just too far ahead. We'll see, though.
They are.
That's a good debate. Did you buy any Rivian, or you're just crypto
No.
only?
You know that. Currently crypto only.
Crypto's more fun.
Currently, yes.
Yeah. Shout out to you, though, to get to being paid at work and live streaming on TikTok. Buy any hood? I did. I bought some Robinhood.
Did you?
What cryptos did you buy today or sell? Hey, cat lover.
So, hey, cat lover. Yeah. So, I had a gut feeling last night. So, I went in and pretty much liquidated almost all of my L Bank stuff and dumped all of it. What's going on?
His internet might not be any good.
Yeah, he's struggling up there in that cold weather. So I dumped all of it into Eternal in my L Bank.
Eternal?
Yep. It's the one that crashed. It was
So why
like
did
an
it crash?
$800. It was an $800. Sorry, it was an $800 coin, and it dropped to 60. I bought in two at 60, and then it dropped to $2.41. I bought in again there when everybody was selling, and then literally had the gut feeling last night and bought in again at right around 4.25.
So you're YOLO this
soon,
one coin, huh?
I did. I had just a gut feeling. I did homework on them, and they partnered with ApeSwap, and the game ain't dead. They're just reviving. They're going to redo it and release it in 2022. So literally, if my 90 coins,
how much are you in all in? What is that, like $500?
90. No, I think I've got. Well, the current value is 200 and.
But how much did you invest?
I don't even know. Like I said, I liquidated my coins. So I think that
more than a grand,
portfolio,
less than a grand.
Oh no! Maybe $300.
Okay, so you've invested 300. It's worth 200, and you might buy some more.
Right now it's at like $2.41, or no, it's at $4.55. So it's at 200.
Okay.
I've got over $200 in it. I did my dollar cost average with all the buys I did, and as soon as it breaks $10 again, which it did once. No. It breaks $20. I'll take half. And leave the rest
so you'll hold half, take profits at 20.
Yep.
And that's 10xing because you're trying to buy in at $2.
Yep. And the coin was already over. It was already 800. So why not?
Yeah. Well, we'll see how it goes. And in the meantime,
I mean, if it don't, so what?
That's true.
But I did get into
$2,000.
Yeah,
it could be $2,000.
Exactly. So it could be 800,000. So we're looking at this morning. The news came out late yesterday. Amazon has got dibs now. It's NTF or NFTs for like trading cards, and that is on the WaxP network. So I moved $100 over to them this morning. Since half the NFTs that I've been trying to buy are Marvel and Disney and all of them, and
Nice.
they're all supported by the WaxP network.
Okay. So you're doing about $200-300 in crypto, and then how much in NFTs?
My NFTs. I've only got the two, my two Matrix NFTs.
You get,
so I got $100.
But you don't know what it's worth, right? What if you could now sell it for $500?
Oh, I don't. Yeah, exactly. I ain't selling them until after I get the chance to take my red and blue pills.
Look who's here! Wow.
What's up? What's up?
Ew.
That doesn't look
Keep
like
that stuff
Houston.
there.
That does not look like
Winter
Houston.
Wonderland.
Ew.
Yeah, Annie's gonna make me go to the mountains with her now. She's like, we gotta go to the mountains.
Dude, it is so nice.
Yeah.
Nope.
Look, he's in. Where's this? Denver?
Yeah, Copper Mountain.
Colorado. He's in Colorado snowboarding.
All right.
Really, I want to go snowboarding.
Annie wants to go snowboarding. Annie wants to snowboard too.
Albert wants to know about EOS and vet chain.
One of the people on TikTok. Doing whatever. Say what's up to the dictator, everyone. All hail.
Hey, dictator.
The dictator.
All hail to my.
So, are you doing any trades party finance? Or you're just taking time off right now?
You want to see my mobile office?
Yeah, let's see your mobile office.
I want to go snowboarding.
I'll be right back.
No.
He's gonna show us his snowboarding stuff.
It's so mobile. He had to go get it.
Yeah, has to go. He's probably like in the hotel somewhere.
Wait.
I'm assuming.
He lost his connection.
He's gonna come back and show us his mobile office. Yeah.
So YOLO, have you looked at EOS or VET?
Yeah.
Vet chain.
I have both EOS and VeChain. I have.
Yeah.
I don't know, like 50, $60 in them.
Wait.
And I'm just gonna hold them as like moon
keep going
bags.
down right now.
Yeah.
I actually made money on them.
Oh, I lost the money now.
I made money on them and then I traded them and I kept about $50 of each. So I think it doubled actually. Okay. So I think I have 100 of VeChain and I think I have like $400 or $500 of EOS.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But it crashed recently, so it could be not, because like I know EOS crashed, so I don't know. It's like, yeah, it's all over the place.
Yeah. Sorry, I actually have work.
Oh, man.
Odd. I know, right?
So what's going on with work? Are you just approving like construction projects?
Permits. I'm the head.
For building what?
Head permit technician, right-of-way permits for the state of Louisiana.
So why don't you and I get into mobile home parks together? I heard that's a good real estate investment.
Do it?
It actually is, but
let's do it, man. With your beard, they're gonna pay rent. we need an enforcer. So
yeah.
You and I should do like a show together on TikTok of you and I, like literally, I want to get into the mobile home park business, but you got to get something that's cheap, right? Like get it like for under $500,000, right? You can still get like 10 like lots, right? For under $500,000. Probably less.
We'd have to do it in Florida though.
Why not Louisiana?
We could.
Yeah.
I think
can't you help me get permits too? So like later we can develop it into something else. Cause like you're supposed to like develop it later into like better land. You just hold on to it until the area populates.
Yep.
But even if we don't buy anything, we should do a show. We should try to find nearby mobile home parks that you can go by and tour together. And I'm serious, dude. I'll buy one with you if you want to like own 5 or 10%.
Oh, that's freaking hilarious.
Let's do it. It'll be great. Cause like, we still do the crypto together, right? But if we all goes well and we make good money in crypto, then we diversify into a mobile home park. We get some tangible real world assets with our digital assets.
Exactly.
So we're doing that. I'm gonna pitch it to Party Finance too, but we want to do Louisiana, but I guess he would do Texas
Lord.
too.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure Party Finance would do a mobile home park with me.
All right. Now, you say that. Now, so when I moved here, I bought a camper and moved down here with a camper, and I lived in a RV mobile home park. So it's monthly rent. It was $600 a month. It's hard to get a spot, but it's $600 a month that covers your water, your sewer, your electricity, and internet and trash. And I lived in
$600. That's pretty good.
Yeah, and I lived in a 40-foot. I lived in a 40-foot camper.
I'm telling you, it's a good business, man. Look in your area. Let's buy some. You know what the app is to look for it? LoopNet.
No, land is.
You can download it on your phone. Yeah, just you download it on your phone, and then for keywords, you put in mobile home, and then it'll start to pop it up. But I'll look at deals, man, and I'll actually I can make TikToks on deals I'm looking at in Louisiana, and you got to stitch me and go look at it.
Oh,
You're laughing, but I'm gonna do it right now. I'm actually, as soon as this live is over, I'm just gonna go look at random mobile home parks and be like, all right, guys, I'm thinking of buying this mobile home park. What do you think?
What you need to do is find vacant land, which land is not cheap. That's the only problem with it here is land is not cheap.
It's easier though to get loans on mobile home parks. I can't get loans on land. Because with a mobile home park, I don't have to do a full down payment. Usually you can get a loan with 25%, but sometimes if they're conservative, it's like you'll have to put 35% down.
Yeah.
But with land, it's like 50%, and it's hard to get the 50% loan. So you'll get in trouble for that. Go to voice. Crypto Nicholas. Switch to voice.
Oh wow.
What's that?
You get in trouble when you smoke. So just switch to voice only.
Oh, gotcha.
Do you know how to do voice
I'll
only?
put it away. I'm good. I'll put it away.
Okay.
I just had a fight with fucking Subway, stupid cocksuckers.
You can't swear either. You're gonna get us in trouble, bro.
A lot of experience.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man. Go to voice mode so we don't get banned.
All right, how are you gonna?
Yeah, just rejoin. You have to rejoin as voice mode, huh?
Rejoin, gotcha.
Where's Calcasieu? Damn it! I should know this. That's District 7. Yeah.
I need to buy Costco, man. I look at Costco and the price keeps going up. It's such a good stock.
I bought Costco.
Yeah, Annie, why don't you own Costco? You shop there every day.
Exactly, right?
Annie loves Costco.
Ashley.
Yo, Party Finance, are you still here? Let me see if he's still here. I think he's gone. He went snowboarding.
See, I bought Costco, but it's too high. I bought at 528.
Yeah. Anyways, let me jump back on the live again. I'm gonna take some screenshots and do some mobile home stuff, and then we'll go live again. I want to do some posts on the mobile home stuff, and you got to take a look at it, man, and tell me what you think.
Oh my God! All right.